I'm Swetha, a self-driven and a resilient aspirant. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology in the faculties of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Aditya Engineering College. Being an ECE student, I have a basic understanding of electronic devices and the software development process enraptured me. Thus, I've chosen to become a pedestrian on the walkway of coding. I've expertised on the programming languages C, C++, Python and Java. I dive deep into algorithms and data structures. My enthusiasm assisted me in learning the technologies like machine learning and cloud computing. I have a splendid knowledge on MySQL, HTML and Flask. I would like to add my certifications of MTA Python issued by Microsoft, and I am a certified AWS cloud practitioner. I've solved more than 200 problems on LeetCode and 100 plus problems on Geek for Geeks. I'm a 2-star coder on CodeChef, and in HackerRank, I bagged 5-star badges for Python and SQL, and I'm a 6-star coder in problem solving. To fill the gap between my learning and practice, I've worked on a project, Air Quality Detection, where we built and trained a machine learning algorithm and deployed it on AWS Cloud. Additionally, I'm a Leo Club member and I've participated as a newsreader for tnews organized by Technical Hub. This really helped me to build my interpersonal skills. Moreover, I put my all in every endeavor and always passionate about achieving the next great objective. Thank you.